The recent civic polls have indeed shown a significant shift in the political landscape, with the BJP Shiv Sena Mahayuti alliance emerging victorious in Mumbai's BMC elections, ending the Thakere's 25-year dominance. Now, this victory is seen as a defeat for divisive forces and a win for progressive polling. This is because just a few days ago, MNS chief Raj Thakre used the divisive pitch to gamer votes in the civic polls. However, the people of Maharashtra have unanimously rejected that pitch, which led to the BJP extracting a sweet revenge after the MNS chief's Ras Malai jibe at Mistana Malai. Let's listen in.
महाराष्ट्र में 29 महानगर पालिका के चुनाव में 25 जगह पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी और मित्रों का विजय हुआ है। महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी पर पूर्ण विश्वास दिखाया है। हमारे अध्यक्ष रविंद्र चौहान जी के नेतृत्व में महाराष्ट्र का ये महाविजय महाराष्ट्र की जनता को और हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं को हम समर्पित करते हैं। महाराष्ट्र की जनता का हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी पर जो विश्वास है, उस विश्वास की यह विजय है।
मैं सबसे पहले मुंबई के सभी मतदाताओं को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं कि उन्होंने महायुति को एक ऐसे ऐतिहासिक जीत दिलवाई है। 30 वर्षों के बाद जिन लोगों ने मुंबई महानगर पालिका को लूटा और इस चुनाव में लोगों का ध्यान भावुक मुद्दों की ओर आकर्षित करने की कोशिश की, उनको मुंबई की जनता ने पूरी तरह से नकारा है, रिजेक्ट किया है। और आज मैं कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कह सकता हूं कि मुंबई में, महाराष्ट्र में केवल 2 भाव है। उनका नाम है देवा भाव देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी और लाडका भाव एकनाथ शिंदे जी। आज ये बात स्पष्ट है कि बाला साहेब का वारिस और असली शिवसेना शिंदे साहब के साथ है।
यश जरूर जो है वो प्राप्त होता, मगर चुनाव आयोग और जो चले हुए पैसे जो है, जो सैलाब आया था हराम के पैसों का, हम सब ने देखा। मगर जो बहरहाल जो स्थिति है वो हमारे सामने है। इतनी बुरी स्थिति में भी हमारा कार्यकर्ता ये बड़ी कर्मठता के साथ चुनाव लड़ा, वैचारिक संघर्ष उन्होंने कहा, इसलिए हमको उनका फक्र है। 350 काउंसिलर कांग्रेस पार्टी की जीत के आगे, 5 जगह महापौर कांग्रेस पार्टी का बैठेगा और इसके अलावा तकरीबन 10 जगह हम सत्ता में सहभागी होंगे। मगर सत्ता हमारे लिए गौण है, विचार का संघर्ष जो है हमारे लिए महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि हमारा संविधान खतरे में है।
Now, CNN News 18's Anand Narasimhan also spoke to Chief Minister Fadnavis's wife, Amruta Fadnavis, on the massive victory. Let's tune in.
How does it feel?
Very happy, overwhelmed, and very thankful to Modi ji for his guidance, for his vision, and the hard work put in Maharashtra by each and every Karyakarta, and also by Devendra ji and his associates, Mahayuti, because of which this stunning victory was possible.
It's not just long ago when he was literally written off as a failure, as somebody who will not survive in Maharashtra politics. You were there as a pillar of strength. When you look back at that time and you look at today, what is going through your mind?
I just feel that people are the real judges of who is doing what for Maharashtra. And yes, there are ups and downs. Politics is synonymous to that. But one has to keep his integrity intact, keep on working for the people, and people recognize it one day or the other.
Amruta ji, you are his pillar of strength, and he has often said that. He said that to me too. And he finds a lot of strength, draws a lot of strength from you. What was his outlook ahead of this entire civic body elections? This was also quite tough. Was he ready for this challenge?
He was quite confident, and whenever I used to ask him what he felt about it, he always showcased a confident front, so which make others, even the Karyakartas and naturally me, confident that he would sweep it and Mahayuti would sweep it. And definitely people have very well opted out of caste politics, of regional politics, and come off it and and have voted for politics of good governance, politics of development, and the way infra has improved across various cities in Maharashtra. It's all to be seen. So it was awarded by people, rewarded by people, thankfully.
Well, we see the voter ink on your left index finger. ये मिटा नहीं? Because a lot of people are saying vanishing ink लगाया है.
मुझे तो ऐसा नहीं लगा. और देखिए अभी what all the reasons are given are really I think so they are excuses for the way they have performed, and I think so जो जीता वही सिकंदर है, ये मान के उन्हें सपोर्ट करके महाराष्ट्र के लिए बाकी भी लोग काम करें, यही मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट उनको कर सकती हूँ.
But this is in a way quite historic because the Thackeray Bandhus came together to fight for Mumbai. The Pawar family came back for Pimpri Chinchwad, for Pune. They all came together to mount this challenge saying, हमसे बेहतर महाराष्ट्र को कोई नहीं जानता. They all seem to have fallen at the hustings. Your thoughts?
I would just say that since last 2 years, Devendra ji had been tagged as a person जिन्होंने पक्ष फोड़े हैं और family story है which was hurting, but that these people have come together again. Thackerays who reunited after years, and even Pawars who recently reconciled. So I would say Devendra ji ने लोगों को जोड़ा भी है opposition parties के, so at least that credit should be given to him. And there's nothing to say about who knows the pulse of people more. It is BJP, the Mahayuti, which is relentlessly worked for the people, and they naturally know the pulse much better. The results are showing that.
So let me ask you this. Are you a little relieved or perhaps happy, looking forward that your husband perhaps will come back home not thinking of politics tonight and spend some quality time with the family, at least tonight?
I think so. I have already given him away for the betterment of people. So I'm not relieved that I would have his company more. In fact, I would have his little company even less. But I'm happy about it because I feel the goal for state development, national development is much higher. And this we are learning from our own Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for the way he has left everything and just devoted himself to the betterment of his people.